Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Well guys, kita berjumpa lagi. So kali ini in this video I would like to share with all of you how are we going to develop a 3D solid modeling, okay, dengan melibatkan kesemua penggunaan sketches, okay, command icon this one for sketch as well as features. So kita fokus pada dua ni dulu, okay, sketch tab for sketch tab as well as features tab, okay. So at the beginning, at the first stage, the most important thing that before we can proceed with our sketch, okay, sebelum kita nak develop kita punya 3D solid modeling, dah tentu kita perlu ada sketch, okay, 2D sketch, 2D, kemudian barulah kita develop 3D. 2D kita akan melibatkan penggunaan sketch, okay, sketch tools ataupun sketch tab, alright. Manakala apabila kita nak develop the 3D solid modelings, features tool ataupun features tab, kesemua icon yang melibatkan features icon commas ni akan kita guna pakai. Alright, so now as what I did mention to you previously that sebelum kita nak develop 3D solid modeling, kita kena create sketch. So before we can create any sketch or sketches, we need to have a sketch plane. And if you still remember, kalau you masih ingat lagi pada video pertama yang telah saya terangkan pada anda semua, all these three views which are all these three planes which are front plane, top plane as well as right planes are the planes that also known as sketch planes, okay. So since kita belum ada apa-apa lagi 3D solid modeling ataupun part yang kita dapat hasilkan, so SolidWorks telah menyediakan kepada kita tiga jenis plane ni. So kalau you bring your cursor, you just click, kalau you click dia akan terpapar di sini, okay, daripada you punya environment, model environment this one. So kalau you click right plane, kalau you just bring your cursor je, dia akan just papar macam tu je, okay. Tetapi kalau you klik, okay, dia akan terpapar macam ni, dia akan kekal lah, okay. Alright, now let's say kata kita nak develop satu cube, let's say cube, okay, dan katakan this is front plane, top plane and right plane, okay. Katakan I nak buat sketch pada top plane. So you have to remember, the first thing that you need to do is that you have to select the sketch plane. That is the first step. You have to find out your sketch plane in order to proceed with any sketches, okay. So let's say for this case I'm going to choose top plane as my sketch plane. So pilih top plane, then go to sketch tool ataupun sketch tab ni, go to sketch. Kalau you expand this one, kita ada 3D sketch, so just for the timing, just neglect both of this. I just want you to focus on sketch, okay. So just click sketch, alright. So dia akan terpapar. This is our origin, okay. This is 00 reference. Jangan confuse between the origin, this, okay, this one origin, okay. Our origin is one, okay. Nampak kalau you perhatikan kat sini tak dapat ini. Nanti kalau I bawa my cursor to here, touch the origin, nanti akan ada warna orange kat sini, macam ni akan terkeluar. So tengok kalau I bring my cursor to this origin, nampak warna okay, warna titik orange tu menunjukkan bahawa ianya adalah 000 coordinate, okay, 00 reference. So jangan kau get confused between this origin dengan axis ni. Axis ni dia tunjuk pada kita je, okay. Sekarang ni X kat sini, Y punya paksi dia ke arah keluar daripada skrin kita ni, whereas Z axis, positive Z axis ni dia menghadap ke bawah. Alright, so never mind. So we proceed with our sketch. So let's say I'm going to pick line, since I've already told you just now that I'm going to create a cube. Alright, a cube, a square box, let's say for example solid box or solid cubes. Alright, so I'm going to proceed with my line, okay. Kalau you expand this one, as what I did showed to you in my previous video, we do have few types. If we expand this arrow, I just would like to use line, so I'm going to pick line. Okay, right. So kalau dah perhatikan, once bila I klik icon line ni, dia akan tenggelam. Tenggelam maksudnya dia tengah aktif, kita tengah pilih dia. Okey, icon tu tengah aktif, kita pilih dia. Dan awak, you all juga akan perhatikan bahawa ada pensel, dan di bawah icon pensel atau simbol pensel tu ada tanda lines. Sama macam ni, line. Kalau I pilih circle, nampak? Dekat bawah simbol pensel tu dia ada bulatan, sama dengan simbol ni. Katakan kalau I pilih center rectangle, nampak? Okey, dia akan ada. Sama juga dengan slot. Okay, slot dia lebih kurang sama macam ni lah, tapi dia ada garis putus-putus. Okay, kalau polygon, there you are, polygon. Dan kalau spline, we do have spline. Okay, and so on. So we're going to choose line. So choose this one, pick this one, and we start at the 0, 0 reference. Remember, it is advisable for you to start with any sketches. Pasal kita tak ada apa-apa, kita boleh start dengan kita punya sketch lagi kan. So it is suggest that you, or it is advisable for you to start at the 0, 0 reference. So nampak, you beri, how are we going to know that kita dah pilih 0, 0 reference tu? So kita bawa, kita punya cursor sampai dah keluar dotted orange color tu kan. So maknanya kita can click that one, dan katakan kalau saya bawa ke atas, just bring my cursor over here. Kalau you perhatikan, ada nombor pada sebelah pensel tu, 51.98, 90 darjah. 51.98 tu bermaksud dia punya panjang line ni. Nampak, kalau saya bawa ke bawah, okey, dia akan semakin memendek, 20.98. Kalau saya menaik atas, 46.6. Maknanya panjang dia daripada 0 reference ni ke atas 58.39. 90 darjah tu bermaksud this line is a really vertical line. Memang betul-betul straight vertical line. Kalau I bawa lari sikit, nampak dia dah hilang. Mana dia bukan 90 darjah lagi. Katakan I bawa to horizontal line, there you are, nampak 180 darjah. Dan anda juga akan perhatikan bahawa ada simbol kuning tu kan. Simbol kuning mendata, itu menunjukkan bahawa line ni adalah straight horizontal line, confirm. Alright, kalau kita pergi vertical line, nampak sama juga. Bukan saja 90 darjah tu menunjukkan bahawa line ini adalah straight vertical line, tetapi kalau you perhatikan akan appear, nampak Kalau ni saya ingat kan tak ada kan, yang simbol kuning tu belum ada. So once bila you bawa, alright, simbol kuning tu akan terpapar, masa menunjukkan bahawa ini confirm straight vertical line. Sama juga kat sini. Okay, 0 darjah, dan ada line sama juga ke sini. Alright. Okay, now let's say I'm going to proceed to here. Just click anywhere. You katakan kita nak buat 100 kali 100 kali 100 kali 100. So you no need to worry about dia punya length. Kata tak payah nak cari sampai cari satu, tak payah, no need. Okay, you just need to click, then just simply click anywhere, no problem, tak payah cari sampai 100. Walaupun saya cakap tadi itu ada indikator dia yang 100, sekarang 100.21 tu dia punya length. No need to have that. Just click this one, and then line ni akan guide kita. Nampak, dia akan guide kita. There you are, dia akan guide kita. Maknanya kita boleh klik di sini dan di sini. Okay, saya sambung this one. Right, then kita right click, just press select ataupun just go to here. Okay. Alright, click OK. Alright, so now it's time for us to indicate our dimension. Macam saya cakap tadi, I nak 100 kali 100 kali 100 kali 100 kan. So I'm going to go to Smart Dimensions, click Smart Dimensions, and then I'm going to pick anyone, either this line or this line. Okay, because dia parallel, sama kan. So I'm going to pick this one, let's say for example, dekat sini. Sini pun boleh pilih. Okay, sampai I pilih this one. So I just click anywhere. Don't worry, just click anywhere. Okay, later on we can readjust this. Click anywhere. Dan ini akan terkeluar. So kita klik 100. Okay, okay. Units ni dah memang dalam mm. Okay, kita by default mm lah. Okay, so you no need to bother about the units. So you just put 100. Click OK. Okay, kenapa I cakap we no need to bother about the units, because kalau you bring your cursor, you go to here, mmgs means that millimeter. Kalau you just bring your cursor here and leave it for a while, dia akan keluar unit system mmgs. Mmgs tu bermaksud m millimeter, lagi satu G gram, S tu second. Maknanya ini adalah unit matrix. Kalau kita expand this arrow, ni expand this arrow, nampak ini inches, ini centimeter, ini meter, but by default we're going to use millimeters. Okay, in mechanical design normally those small parts, okay, small components, small assembly, dia akan melibatkan unit millimeters. Okay, so we just leave it with millimeters unit, okay, metric units. So now we already done this, so now we're going to create another one. Dan kalau you perhatikan bahawa line ni, kalau okay, saya delete this one, I'm going to delete this one, and I just would like to show to you. I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Okay. Before we can proceed, ni I scroll zoom in, zoom out, I scroll berbola pada mouse tu, okay, berbola tengah tu, okay, zoom in, zoom out, okay, zoom in, zoom out. Alright, now kalau kita perhatikan line ni, dia ada warna hitam dan warna biru. Warna hitam bermaksud dia dah fully constrained. Apakah dia maksudkan fully constrained? Fully constrained tu bermaksud dia dah kita tak boleh gerak-gerakkan dia. Tengok macam ni yang hitam ni, saya nak cuba gerak-gerakkan dia tak boleh gerak, nampak? Dia macam dah lock. Okay, dia macam dah lock. But for blue lines, it indicates that particular offline belum lagi fully constrained. Bermaksud kita boleh ubah-ubahkan kedudukan dia. Tengok kalau saya bawa saya punya cursor, pilih this line, nampak? Dia masih lagi boleh digerak-gerakkan. Okay, same as well as here, this one. Okay, nampak? Berbanding dengan hitam tadi, tak boleh. Dia dah macam lock. So, kita nak lock everything supaya nanti dia tak lari. Okay, so sketch ni dia akan fix according to our dimension. Again, I would like to repeat here that we're going to indicate this one 100, 100, 100, and 100 mm. So I'm going to choose again smart dimensions and then pick here. Let's say I'm going to indicate 100. Okay, then don't bother about units because we already set this now in millimeters, so no need to worried about the unit. So just click OK. Alright, 100. So nampak bila you click this one, ini dia dah bertukar daripada biru ke hitam. Maksudnya dah fully constrained. So ini dah tak boleh gerak. Okay, katakan I off smart dimension ni, so dah tak boleh gerak. Tetapi ini biru, ini masih lagi boleh kita ubah-ubah. Nampak? So now dekat bahagian sini pula kita nak buat panjang daripada sini ke sini, panjang dia 100 mm. So again, go to smart dimension. You can pick or you can choose either the top lines or the bottom lines. So you might probably, I'm going to make it top lines. So either one, okay, either one can. So I'm going to pick the top line and then I'm going to put anywhere around here, and then I'm going to indicate 100. Then click OK. Alright, so there you are. Okay, there you are. So I'm going to off the smart dimension. You can just bring your cursor off. Okay, so bermaksud kalau kita kan macam saya cakap tadi, kalau dia macam dia darken, the icon is darken like this, so it means that it's in active mode. Kalau dia clear like this, so it's in active mode. So katakan you dah masukkan dimension tadi, kalau you nak keluar, nak exit daripada dimension ni, you just go here, click, or you can right click then go to select. Okay, right click of your mouse button then go to select. Okay, dia akan keluar, nampak? Dia akan keluar. Alright, so now dekat sini you tak payah lagi letak dimension lah. Pasal apa? Pasal dia sama dengan ni, you dah letak dimension. Sama juga dengan kat sini. Kalau you nak letak juga, nanti dia dah over constrain. Tengok kalau saya klik smart dimension, saya klik ni juga dia akan bertukar ke warna nak. Adding the dimension will make the sketch over define. Dia akan over define. Dia akan warna kuning, nampak ni semua warna kuning. So Pasal apa? Pasal kita tak perlu letak 100 kat sini. Kita tak payah letak. Pasal apa? Pasal kita dah letak kat sini. Dia sama je kan. Okay. So that's why kita tak perlu letak lagi lah. So just enough. Lagipun kalau kita perhatikan ke semua sketch kita ni dah warna hitam. Dah bertukar daripada biru tadi yang ni ke hitam. Okay. Once I confirm this one. Okay, right click. I nak exit daripada smart dimension tadi. Okay, now. Ini kita boleh ubah. Kita boleh ubah by dragging it. Klik ni. Okay, click, then you can drag that. Okay, same as this one. Okay, katakan kat sini ada sudah. Okay, now I'm going to show to you how are we going to apply this view orientation command. Okay, so I'm going to make this sketch in a form of isometric view. So what you need to do is that you just go to view orientation, expand this. Okay, click this expand arrow. Okay, and then I want you to choose this one. Okay, click this expand, then go to isometric. There you are. Okay, so siapa yang terlepas tadi tu, you boleh playback balik video nanti. Okay, right. So again, go to here, view orientation, click this one and go to isometric. Alright. So now we're going from this 2D sketch, we're going to develop a 3D solid modeling. So now, if you still remember, I did mention to you just now that kalau untuk sketch kita gunakan, kalau 2D sketch macam ni, 2D sketch kita akan gunakan sketch tool or sketch tab. Whereas kalau kita nak developkan 3D solid modeling, kita akan gunakan features tool ataupun features tab. So now, klik pada features, and then kalau you perhatikan yang terang ni, yang menyala ni, bukan yang kelabu ni bermaksud command tu you masih lagi belum boleh digunakan. Yang boleh digunakan pada ketika ini hanya ini saja, 3 ni saja, dengan ni lah. Okay, so basically kita ada extruded boss, revolve boss, obvious, sweep boss, obvious. So saya nak gunakan extruded boss, obvious. Okay, so kita extrude dia, klik this one, nampak, you perhatikan. Okay, kita dia dah terbentuk sedikit preview. So this boss, extruded boss akan appear. Okay, now from sketch plane tadi, sketch plane ni, so no need to touch anything on this one. Okay, so directions, kalau you perhatikan direction arrow ni, okay, arrow ni, okay, katakan saya nak rotate dia. Kalau rotate dia, macam mana kita nak rotate part ni, tekan button tengah. Kalau macam scroll button tu kan, tekan scroll button tu, jangan lepaskan. Okay, jangan lepaskan, lepas tu you boleh, jangan lepaskan lepas tu you boleh rotate kat bahagian mana you nak rotate kan. Alright, kalau you katakan you nak tengok kat bahagian sini, you nak rotate sampai sini, baru you boleh lepaskan. Kalau you nak pergi balik kepada isometric view, go back to here, view orientation, go to here, dan go to isometric. Dah akan balik ke isometric. Okay, so saya nak tunjuk dia kepada you, so I rotate. Ingat kalau nak rotate, tekan scroll button ataupun middle mouse button. Kalau yang ada scroll tu, kita tekan scroll tu, jangan lepas, do not release that scroll button, jangan lepaskan scroll button tu, then you can rotate. Kalau you lepas, nanti dia akan berhenti lah. Okay, so boleh sambung balik, tekan. Okay, now kalau you perhatikan arrow dia kepada bahagian tu, katakan ini adalah merupakan ketinggian daripada sketch plane ni tadi. Katakan yang hitam dari sketch plane, so daripada sini ke sini, from here to here is 10 mm. You can increase it by go to here. Okay, atau kalau you klik this one, pasal tadi dia bermula dengan 10, kalau you klik arrow ni, dia akan naik 10 pasal ada 10 sini. So kalau you nak 15, you kena key in lah 15. Lepas tu just click somewhere around here. Lepas you dah letakkan 15, just click outside here. Nampak? So dia ni 15. Kalau you click this one, okay, dia akan naik 10. Dia sama ada you arrow bawah ataupun arrow atas, dia akan expand, dia akan meningkat, increase or decrease height ni 10. Okay, so never mind, let's say I'm going to make this one 100 as well, pasal cube tadi kan. So I'm going to make it straight away 100. Then click anywhere here, so 100. So 100 kali 100, ketinggian pun kali 100. Alright, so now You perhatikan arrow ni dia pergi ke atas. Kalau I tekan this one, if I choose this reverse direction button, as you can see over here, if I bring my cursor and if I pick this one, I click this one, dia akan ke bawah. Arrow pun menghadap ke bawah daripada sketch plane ni tadi, sketch tadi. Okay, so if I nampak dia pun terbenam kan, I kena terbelah. So if I click this one, upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards. Okay, ini untuk blind. Okay, untuk blind bermaksud daripada sini sampai atas ni 100. Kalau saya downwards daripada sini sampai ke bawah, ke sebahagian sini 100 mm ketinggian dia. Okay, katakan I just would like to make this one, okay, extrude, okay, extrude boss upwards like that. So ini untuk blind. Okay, untuk blind. Sekiranya saya expand this one dan saya nak perkenalkan kepada anda blind dengan mid plane terlebih dahulu. Okay, the rest nanti dulu. Okay, blind dengan mid plane. Tadi blind. Now, let's say we go to mid plane. How does it look like? So if you choose mid plane, nampak dia dah berubah kan. So kalau kita perhati pun dia punya sketch plane yang kita buat tadi dah berada di tengah-tengah. Namun pun mid plane kan, tadi blind macam ni. Okay, tapi kalau kita ubah kepada mid plane, it become like that. So bermaksud 100 ni adalah daripada sini, atas ni ke sini, bawah ni 100. So mid plane yang sketch ni dia tengah-tengah. So from here to here is 50 mm, from here to here is 50 mm. Mana from here to here is 50 mm, from here to here is 50 mm. So overall total height is 100 mm. Okay, that one is for mid plane. Okay, so it depends on you whether you would like to choose mid plane pun boleh, blind pun boleh. Okay, it depends on application. Okay, application tu macam mana, itu agak susah sikit nak jawab lah, pasal lagi bergantung kepada apa bentuk yang kita nak buat nanti. Alright, so for the time being, I just would like to make this direction one as blind. Okay, now I'm going to share with all of you how are we going to apply the direction 2. So if I choose direction 2, if I enable, okay, I nak aktifkan direction 2 ni, so I need to click this one, this box, nampak? So in this particular case, you boleh create ketinggian yang berbeza-beza. Katakan daripada, kalau kita direction 1 ni tadi, daripada sketch plane ni ke atas 100, tetapi katakan saya nak buat 50 je untuk yang direction 2 dia akan ke bawah lah. Okay, that's why kalau you perhatikan dia ada 2 arrow, maknanya direction number 2. Ini only 1 arrow instead direction number 1. So direction number 2 ni, kata I nak buat 50 tadi kan, blind. So kalau you click, okay, dia tak ada mid plane untuk direction 2, pasal ini dah memang mid plane kan, ini dah mid plane. So katakan saya nak buat 50, nampak dia gerak 40, 50. Kalau nak buat 100, okay, 100. Tapi katakan saya nak buat just 50. So it means that you going to have 2 different heights based on this sketch plane, whereas the total height is 150. Okay, that one is for direction 2. But I just would like to show to you about the direction 2. However, I'm not going to apply this for this case, so I'm going to disable it. I'm going to deactivate it. Okay, I'm going to deactivate it like that. Alright, so it will disappear. Alright, now I'm going to maintain with 100 times 100 and times 100. So once I'm to confirm everything, I just need to click OK. There you are. Okay, so you can play around with all this. Okay, you tengok okay, you can rotate lah. Okay, kan tadi kita belajar rotate kan, so you can rotate. Kalau you nak go back to isometric view, go to here, click here, isometric view. Okay, this is isometric view. Okay, scroll in, scroll out, scroll in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, right. So kalau ini isometric, kalau you nak tengok diametric pula macam mana? Okay, ini diametric. Ada pandangan macam ni, pandangan diametric. How about trimetric? Okay, trimetric macam ni. But normally kita akan menggunakan isometric lah. Okay, isometric view. All right. So now, since we already developed a simple part like this, so I'm going to show to you the application of display style. So kalau kita tengok sini ya, sekarang ni kita tengah berada pada shaded with edges. Mana ni shaded dengan edges. I advise to you, we apply with this one first. For the beginners, okay, kita gunakan shaded with edges lah. Okay, yang mana dah expert sikit tu kita boleh just shaded. Shaded tak, kalau shaded ni, kalau I pilih shaded, dia punya edges line ni tak ada tau. Okay, edges line ni tak ada. Okay, maknanya edges line ni sebagai kita as our guideline only. Okay, as our guideline. Just okay, kalau I pick this one, okay, pak kita nampak kan yang warna hitam je. So that one is representing our guideline. Tetapi kalau you dah expert nanti, okay, you no need to have this guideline, so you can simply use shaded like that. Okay, kalau kita gunakan hidden lines remove, there's no shaded, tetapi dia akan tunjukkan pada kita these lines but no hidden lines. That's why this one is indicated over here just now, hidden lines remove. Kat bawah tu dia ada punya statement or explanation about what does it mean by hidden lines remove. Okay, displays only those model edges that can be seen from the current orientation. Alright, so how about the next, hidden lines visible? So it comes together with the hidden lines, as you can see over here, but no shadeds, right? And this one is wireframe macam ni lah wireframe. Okay, so this is wireframe, and then okay, ni tak ada apa-apa. Okay, so for the timing, as I mentioned to you just now, that for beginners it is advisable as you, it is suggested to you to apply with shaded with the edges like this. Right, guys? Okay, guys, so I'm going to switch back to isometric view like this. Okay, so this is about the cube. However, you can apply this to all, such as circle, straight slot, and so forth. Right? Okay, so I'm going to repeat once again, but this time I'm going to create a few more shapes. Let's say I'm going to make a new, and then I'm going to go to part, double click. Okay, I'm going to make sure that my units is MMGS. Okay, MMGS. Then this time I'm going to choose front plane as my sketch plane. So go to sketch. Okay, there you are. This is my origin, and then I'm going to proceed with let's say I'm going to apply, just simply draw first like this. Just simply draw like that first. Kalau katakan line bawah ni dia tak terpapar, you drag, you bawa sampai dah kan dia keluar, maknanya you can click here, maknanya memang dia akan sama level dengan this one. Okay, katakan kalau tidak terpapar juga, you just need to bring your cursor, don't click but just touch this coordinates, 0 reference coordinates, then there you are. Okay, click, let's click, and just simply click. Oh, tak ada, so I'm going to bring my cursor to here. There you are. Okay, ini dah ada, sama juga saya dah ada. So I can just click this one and click this one. Okay, confirm. So just press OK. Click OK once again. Alright. So now, once after finish created all these lines, I'm going to indicate dimensions. Remember, I'm going to create the dimensions. Let's say this one, I'm going to make it 30. Click OK. Alright. Then let's say this one, I'm going to make it 40. Click OK. Okay. Kita main-main dengan dia. Okay, let's say from here to here. Okay, I click this, I pick this line and this line, so that I'm going to make this one 150. Okay, there you are. And then the distance from here to here, which is this one, you can pick this line as well. Yes, I'm going to make it 50. Okay, and let's say from here to here, 50 as well. Okay, now mana lagi yang biru? Ini biru ada lagi. Okay, so this biru. So let's say this height, I'm going to make it 15. Right, 15, and then this one, let's say, oh dia punya ketinggian. So I'm going to make this one, pick this one, and this one ketinggian ni kata I make it 60. I'm going to make it 60. Alright, and then okay, I nak masukkan sudut. Tengok sudut macam mana. How I'm going to indicate the angle dimension. So the angle dimension, I can pick this line as well as this line. There you are. You see, if you bring your cursor to here, it will indicate that angle. If you bring it out your cursor to here, it will indicate that angle. If you bring your cursor to here, it will indicate that angle. So let's say I'm going to bring my cursor to here, and I'm going to make it 50. My angle is 50 degrees. There you are. Okay, so I just left another one more here. So it means that this is still blue. So I'm going to indicate the dimensions from this point to this line, which is, let's say I'm going to indicate it 65. Okay, there you are. So this dimension, I just simply play around. Okay, I just simply around with the dimensions. Okay, so now all the lines are already changed to black color. So it means that all of the lines are already fully defined. Now remember, after we already indicate all related dimensions, we go to view orientation. Then let's go to isometric. There you are. Okay, kecilkan sikit supaya nanti dia okay. Now we're going to develop from these 2D sketch into 3D solid modeling. So what we need to do is that we remember, go to features. Features ni untuk we develop all 3D solid modeling. Kita nak develop 3D solid, kita pergi features je. Okay, yang surface ni semua apa nanti kemudian. I almost forgot. I forgot something about this. Okay, one more thing. Okay, I pergi ke normal view bermaksud kita nak balik kepada asal macam ni lah. Okay, katakan kalau you dah buat kata tadi isometric view kan, kalau kita nak pergi kepada normal view, this is normal view. Maksud sketch ni dia akan berhadapan dengan kita, dengan pandangan kita secara parallel. Okay, pandangan dia akan secara parallel lah karan ni, parallel dengan pandangan kita lah, dengan mata kita. So you have to make sure that all these lines should be in closed loop. Dia tak boleh macam ni tau. Dia tak boleh, you can't have like this kind of katakan macam ni. Tak boleh. Dia tak boleh ada terlebih ni, tak boleh. Okay, nanti dia tak boleh baca. Yang mana satu ni closed loop dia, so dia tak boleh baca. Okay, so in this particular case kita kena trim. Nanti I will show to you how are we going to apply trim in our next video. Alright, so lagi dia juga tak boleh you going to have katakan macam ni, tiba-tiba dia tak bercantum. Dan this pun tak boleh. Nanti dia akan become surface. Kita tak nak buat surface for the time being. Kita nak develop 3D solid modeling. Okay, we're not going to apply surface for the time being. Cik Nazim dia akan dalam kelas Cik Nazim akan terangkan dalam video dia lah bagaimana nak apply surface. Surface tak kisah, surface tak payah bercantum pun tak apa. So untuk 3D solid modeling, okay, I'm talking about solid modeling. So dia tak boleh ada terlebih, they can't have like this kind of protruded or extruded or protruded line like this. Cannot. Same as well as this one. They cannot have some sort like this kind of gap, even very small gap. They don't have. They cannot be like that. Okay, so it should be closed loop. Okay, sorry. I continue. You can just pick line. Okay, just pick line again and then continue. Okay, just whatever, click, whatever shape click, but at the end of the day you kena nampak orange tu kan, orange tu menunjukkan bahawa kita dah pilih. Okay, dotted orange means that dia dah bercantum, dia dah bercantum dengan titik pada end point here. So click this one. Okay, bila confirm, just click OK. Click OK once again. Nampak? Okay, so dia mesti close loop like this. Alright, so I'm going to delete all this. I'm going to select this. So remember that, okay, that is the dia punya rules and regulations lah. Okay, so now I'm going to extrude boss this by go to here, go to isometric, right, and then I'm going to go to features and extrude boss. I'm going to extrude boss this. Okay, let's say I'm going to increase to 40, and I'm going to make it mid plane. Kalau mid plane I buat 60 dah. Like that. Okay, once confirm all this, I just need to click OK. Okay, there you are. Alright. Okay, right guys. Okay guys, so I think I'll stop here for the time being about the extruded boss. I've already showed to you how I'm going to do the sketch under the sketch environment. Okay, remember the first thing that you need to know that you need to concern is that you need before you can proceed with any sketch activities, you need to choose the sketch plane and then go to sketch. After you already choose the sketch plane, go to sketch and you pick what kind of sketch that you're going to apply, and then you go to features in order to proceed with your 3D solid modeling. Okay guys, boleh ya. So siapa yang masih tertinggal ataupun masih lagi tak faham, you can scroll back. Okay, you pergi balik, patah balik video, pasal video ni kita akan play around kan, dekat bahagian mana yang kita nak play, kat mana kita nak stop. So you just focus kat bahagian yang mana yang you masih lagi kurang faham. Okay, and then you go through, insyaAllah. Okay, dengan go through with all the videos, hopefully that you can really understand with the knowledge or the information that I have shared to you in these videos. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video. So thank you very much.